Hello lovely people, it's a beautiful brand new day and your girl is back with another recipe. This is fluffy banana pancake and look at that. I'm sure you are going to love this recipe. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's get into it. I'll be using 5 bananas for this recipe. You can use more or less, but if you intend to use more, please be careful with the sugar you add. Some bananas are very sweet to the extent that if you're using more in your pancake, there's no need to add additional sugar to your recipe. So take note about that, okay? But because I'm using just 5 and these bananas are not that sweet, so I'm going to add sugar to it. I add my sugar, and this is 1/4 cup. And also break in my eggs. I'll be using 2 eggs. I add my milk, and this is 250 ml of evaporated milk. And also 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and this is optional, but hey, banana and vanilla are good friends. When the two come together, the flavor is always amazing and you don't want to miss that. And I just went and blended my mixture, so let's check the wet ingredients, and that is going to be our liquid as well. It smells so good. Alright, let's set that aside. In a bowl, I add 2 cups of soft flour. You can also use all-purpose flour as well. I then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We are making fluffy banana pancakes, so baking powder is red in life. And I mix everything together. And then go ahead and add the wet ingredients, and that is our liquid. So I'll then go ahead and mix everything together. I didn't add salt. This is 1 tablespoon of melted butter and it's too salty. So that is why I didn't add salt to my recipe. I don't know why the butter is too salty like that. So I then rinse my blender with a little bit of cold water, add it to the mixture, and then stir everything together till I get a very smooth and a thin batter, okay? So lovely, this is the consistency we are looking for, so we are done here. In a pan, I brush in with a little bit of oil. Please don't use too much oil, as your pancake may end up burning instead of getting a very beautiful golden brown color, and we don't want that to happen, okay? You can also use a soup ladle to do this, okay? But I'm using my measuring cup. So I then go ahead and create the shape that I want. I want a round shape, and that is what I'm doing, okay? So somebody may ask, how will I know that my pancake is ready to flip over? Just watch. You can see some opening coming up on the surface. As soon as you see those opening all over the surface, that means that it's ready to flip over. And look at that. Very simple and easy. And to know that your pancake is ready and well cooked, the other side too has to be golden brown. So you just lift it a little bit to check. If it is brown, that means that it's ready. And look at that, it's brown. So that means that our pancake is ready to be taken out. Alright there, let's repeat the process again. So we created the shape that we want. We want a very round shape. Create it by yourself, okay, and it will come out perfectly the way you want it. And then watch for the openings, okay? And it's ready to flip over. So simple, and look at that. Gorgeous. Very easy, simple, everybody can do this. So let's check the other side. It's brown. That means that our pancake is ready to be taken out. So simple. Ta-da! We are done. I normally don't like prolonging my video, so I fry the rest off camera. Okay, so guys, this is our fluffy banana pancake, and just look at the fluffiness. Oh, it's so amazing, and it smells so good, and everybody can do this. So simple. Look at that, the banana is wrapped inside, and I can see that. So lovely. So you can enjoy your pancake with any topping you want. You can enjoy it with maple syrup, you can enjoy it with honey, butter, in fact anything. And because of the fluffiness, it's just like soft bread or something like that, so you can enjoy with your beverages as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Bye y'all.